Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure line messaging with AI response automation. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Line app from the App Store or Google Play. Create a Line account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the Friends tab. Click on Add Friends and search for the Line Official Account option. Select Create Official Account and fill in your account details. Choose a display name and type in your profile information. Proceed to select a category that best fits your business. Once your account is created, access the Line Official Account Manager. Log in with the same credentials you used for your Line app. In the dashboard, find the Messaging API section. Enable the Messaging API feature. Generate your channel access token. Keep this secure. Next, set up a webhook URL to receive incoming messages. If you don't have a server, consider using services like Heroku or Glitch to host your code. Create a simple script to handle incoming messages. Use a programming language like Python or Node.js for your script. In your script, set up logic to parse incoming messages. Integrate AI response automation using platforms like Dialogflow or Raza. Connect your script with the AI service using API calls. Test your integration by sending messages from your Line app. Ensure your AI responds accurately in the conversation. Adjust the script as needed based on testing feedback. Once satisfied, finalize your setup and launch your automated responses. Monitor incoming messages through the Line Official Account Manager. Continuously update and refine your AI responses for improved engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.